Welcome to K-Zone. Today, we will share about the ancient aliens, what occurs inside and what is our knowledge of Area 51. Let's start. Area 51, the highly classified and secretive U.S. military facility located in the Nevada desert, has captured the imagination of conspiracy theorists, UFO enthusiasts, and the general public for decades. While much about the base remains shrouded in secrecy, we do have some information about its history, purpose, and the conspiracy theories that have made it famous. Area 51's history dates back to the early 1950s during the height of the Cold War. Originally established as a testing and training facility for the U.S. Air Force, it was officially designated as Area 51 in 1955. The name Area 51 likely comes from its map designation as Area 51 of the Nevada Test Site, a nearby nuclear testing facility. Area 51 has primarily been used for the development and testing of advanced military aircraft and technology. Some of the most famous aircraft developed and tested at the base include the U-2 spy plane and the State Route 71 Blackbird. These aircraft were top secret during their development and were instrumental during the Cold War for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering. One of the key features that make Area 51 suitable for such activities is its remote location and restricted airspace. Situated within the vast Nevada Test and Training Range, it is surrounded by barren desert and mountains, making it difficult for prying eyes to observe what's happening within the facility. Area 51 is perhaps best known for the numerous conspiracy theories that have surrounded it over the years. Here are some of the most enduring and well-known theories. Extraterrestrial activity. Area 51 has been at the center of UFO and alien-related conspiracy theories. Some believe that the base is involved in the study and reverse engineering of extraterrestrial technology and that crashed UFOs are stored there. Roswell connection. The infamous Roswell UFO incident of 1947 has often been linked to Area 51. Conspiracy theorists suggest that debris and possibly even alien bodies recovered from Roswell were transported to Area 51 for examination. Secret government experiments. There are claims that the government conducts secret experiments at Area 51 involving mind control, time travel, and other fringe science topics. Weather control. Some conspiracy theorists believe that the base is involved in controlling or manipulating the weather for military purposes. Chemtrails. Area 51 has also been linked to the chemtrails conspiracy theory, which posits that aircraft are dispersing chemicals or biological agents into the atmosphere for undisclosed purposes. It's important to note that there is no concrete evidence to support these conspiracy theories, and they are widely regarded as speculative and lacking in credibility. The U.S. government has consistently denied any involvement in extraterrestrial or paranormal activities at Area 51. In recent years, some information about Area 51 has been declassified and made public. In 2013, the CIA officially acknowledged the existence of the base and released documents that detailed its history and purpose. While these documents provided valuable insights into the base's activities, they did not confirm or deny the more outlandish conspiracy theories. As of my last knowledge update in September 2021, Area 51 remains an active military facility, and its primary purpose continues to be the development and testing of advanced aircraft and technology. The base is heavily guarded, and unauthorized access is strictly prohibited. In recent years, it has also faced increased scrutiny from the public and media, leading to calls for greater transparency regarding its activities. Area 51 remains one of the most enigmatic and intriguing places in the United States. While much of its history and activities remain classified, we do have some information about its role in military aviation development. The conspiracy theories surrounding the base have contributed to its mystique, but they should be taken with a grain of skepticism, as they lack substantial evidence. As time goes on, it is possible that more information about Area 51 will be declassified, shedding further light on its true nature and purpose. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, share and subscribe.